All right, happy Friday, North American Auto Equipment. We're on site. We've just installed this Universalift 11K AF. She went together nice. And look at the wingspan on this lift, on these arms. Heavy duty. We stacked the bison arm on top of this arm in the photo gallery to show you the size comparison. And then we add the plate steel to that gusset on the 11 on the front there. Nice rugged lift for the money. We glue the anchors in. We use the epoxy. Sika bond. Just to give you an idea, see that Craftsman lawn tractor? Now look at the wingspan on the arms. All right. Nice heavy duty lift. All right, well, have a great weekend, and thank you for tuning in. We appreciate all of the support out there and all of the business that you folks out there are giving to us, and we hope to see you soon.